Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the compartment door in a Whirlpool refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. It should only take a minute or two to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new compartment door. The compartment door is located inside the refrigerator door and allows a certain produce to be kept in a closed compartment. The compartment door should be replaced if it's broken and no longer stays in place or is missing. To get to the part, we need to open the refrigerator door. If the old door is still in place, lift it up and push in one side to release the tab. Remove the old compartment door. As you see, it's cracked on one side. This is the old compartment door next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Install the one end of the new compartment door into the groove, push in the opposite side and lock the tab in. Check if the new compartment door works fine and close the door. And plug the refrigerator in. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.